Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Liberia, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Right, and the link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on this link and open this website via fly and write country and click on this. eSim high-speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, and select your data plan. Now click on this and click on add to cart or buy it now, and your pay and send your mail address, QR code, and open QR code, scan QR code, and open settings and install eSim, and that's all. eSim is work. Alright, and click on buy it now. And write discount code ROM tips, and click on apply. This discount $5, this is good. And click on Google Pay and pay Google Pay, or write email and write card number, date, security code, name of card, and scroll down, select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone. Select your country, yes, and click on pay it now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it.